Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to plan a quarterly roadmap on Monday.com. First up, we're setting up our board. Go to the left sidebar, click Add, then Board. Give your board a name, like Q1 Roadmap. This is the base where we'll plot out our goals and tasks for the quarter. Now that we've done that, let's create groups for each month of the quarter. Click Add Group and name it after the month. Remember to do this for all 3 months. This helps us because it keeps our tasks neatly organized by when they need to be done. Next, we're adding items or tasks. Under each month, click Add Item, then type in your task. Add as many tasks as you need. The reason we do this is to break down our quarterly goals into actionable steps. Time to assign tasks. Click on a task, then Assignee, and pick a team member. Assigning tasks ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Finally, let's add a timeline. Click on a task, then Add Column, and choose Timeline. Here, you can set start and end dates for each task. This gives us a visual timeline of when tasks should be completed. In a nutshell, that's how you plan a quarterly roadmap on Monday.com. It's all about organizing tasks, assigning them, and setting timelines. Remember, a well-planned roadmap is the key to a successful quarter. Until our next tutorial, happy planning.